I'm Dr. Michael Gieske. I'm a family medicine physician, and I'm here at the World Conference on Lung Cancer 2024. And I'm going to speak just a little bit about the White Ribbon Project. Heidi Nafman-Onda is a lung cancer survivor. She started the White Ribbon Project in 2021. She was 55. She was a fitness instructor, and she had a twinge in her left lower quadrant. She had a history of ovarian cysts, got a scan, didn't really see much. Her doctor thought, well, let's get a CA-125, which is a biomarker for ovarian cancer, and it was just barely out of the range. And so he said, well, let's get a CAT scan of your chest and your abdomen. And she got a CAT scan, and good news was that she didn't have anything going on in her abdomen and her ovary, but she had a lung cancer, which had already spread to her mediastinum, the middle part of the chest. And so she was inoperable, had stage 3A lung cancer at 55 years of age. Biked, hiked, climbed mountains, kayaked, a very healthy individual, one of the last people in the world you would think would get lung cancer. And she underwent chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and then subsequently immunotherapy. And she has apparently beat this cancer at this point. She's 6 years out now, and her scan is completely clear. They can't find it. It's what we call no evidence of disease. And we have patients now that are 15, 20 years out with stage 3 and stage 4 lung cancer that have no evidence of disease. We think they've been cured. We're a little reluctant or afraid to use that word, but it's likely that many of these individuals are cured, and they're growing in number, their voices are growing. And the White Ribbon Project is an advocacy organization that works very hard to raise lung cancer awareness and lung cancer screening awareness, even though Heidi wouldn't have qualified for lung cancer screening. But she was very frustrated with the lack of attention that lung cancer got, and the stigma and the nihilism associated with lung cancer. And she had her husband build one of these white ribbons out of plywood, and they paint them white. We put a label on it, Lung Cancer Awareness, the White Ribbon Project. And on the back, they're signed by providers and survivors and caregivers that are involved in their care. And they're now in all 50 states. They're in about 40 different countries around the world. And I take one with me every time I go backpacking, and I take it to the top of the highest mountain on my backpacking trip. And I like to say I'm literally screaming from the mountaintops to raise lung cancer awareness and lung cancer screening awareness. And it's been a great story, and it's a great organization to be affiliated with. And they've done a tremendous amount of good and work raising lung cancer awareness. And as you walk around the World Conference on Lung Cancer, you'll see these white ribbons. Different folks have them, and they use them in pictures, and it's been a very gratifying part of my career to be part of this organization. Well, certainly you could get on the website, look up White Ribbon Project, and it'll direct you to their website. You can talk with providers and other advocates that are very familiar with the White Ribbon Project. There's plenty of individuals that work with the White Ribbon Project that are survivors of cancer. They're happy to share their story and happy to share a message of hope for individuals with lung cancer.